Looking for the best luxury gifts for 2026 that truly make a statement? You're in the right place. On this channel, we upload quality videos daily to help you discover premium products that combine style, performance, and lasting value. From elegant classics to modern must-haves, we've carefully selected standout gift ideas to suit every special occasion. Number 1. Ray-Ban Meta Smart Glasses Gen 2, Wayfarer with AI. The Ray-Ban Meta glasses pack 12MP ultra-wide camera, recording 3K video at 60 FPS into classic Wayfarer frames. Battery lasts 8 hours compared to 4 hours on previous generation. Meta AI provides live translation between 6 languages without requiring data connection after downloading language packs. Translation feature proved useful during international travel, eliminating phone fumbling during conversations. Camera placement enables photo capture, while hands stay occupied with luggage or equipment. Battery improvement finally makes glasses last full workday without charging breaks. Some units show noticeable weight compared to regular sunglasses, causing ear fatigue during extended wear. Meta's data practices raise legitimate privacy concerns, especially regarding advertising targeting. Number 2. Sonos Ace Noise-Canceling Wireless Headphones. The Sonos Ace delivers 30 hours battery life with active noise cancellation enabled. Memory foam ear cups wrapped in vegan leather provide comfort during extended listening sessions. Dolby Atmos spatial audio creates immersive soundstage for compatible content. TV audio swap feature beams sound from Sonos Arc, Beam, or Ray soundbars directly to headphones with button press. This sound signature leans toward balanced tuning with emphasis on mids and highs rather than bass-heavy presentation. This makes Ace excellent for rock, acoustic, and classical genres while disappointing bass heads expecting thumping lows. Noise cancellation performs adequately, though not matching Sony or Bose flagships. TV swap functionality shines for Sonos ecosystem owners, enabling private late-night viewing without disturbing household members. Point. Number 3. Breville Bambino Plus Espresso Machine, BES 500 BTR. The Breville Bambino Plus reaches extraction temperature in 3 seconds through thermojet heating system. Uses 54mm portafilter, accepting 19 grams of ground coffee for full-bodied shots. Automatic milk frothing wand features temperature and texture controls, creating microfoam suitable for latte art. PID temperature control maintains consistent brewing temperature. Low-pressure pre-infusion gradually increases pressure, ensuring even extraction. The espresso quality rivals cafe shots when paired with proper grinder and fresh beans. 3-second heat up eliminates morning waiting frustration. Automatic milk system removes guesswork from foam creation, though manual frothing remains option for purists. Compact footprint fits crowded kitchen counters without dominating space. Small drip tray fills quickly, requiring frequent emptying during multiple drink sessions. Number 4. X-Jimmy Mogo 4 Laser Portable Projector. The X-Jimmy Mogo 4 laser projects 1080p images up to 120 inches through triple laser system delivering 550 ISO lumens brightness. Built-in battery provides 2.5 hours video playback in eco mode, or up to 6 hours music streaming. 360-degree rotating gimbal stand enables ceiling projection without separate mounting hardware. Dual 6-watt Harman Kardon speakers provide adequate audio for small rooms. Image quality impresses in darkened rooms with deep blacks and vibrant colors. Triple laser technology creates noticeable contrast improvement over LED competitors. Portability combined with built-in battery enables true wireless operation for outdoor movie nights. Battery life falls short for feature-length films at full brightness, requiring power connection for movies exceeding 90 minutes. Some units exhibit focus stability issues, causing slight image shifting during viewing. Number 5. Bartesian Premium Cocktail and Margarita Machine. The Bartesian machine produces cocktails using proprietary capsules containing juice concentrates and bitters. User adds spirits to designated reservoirs, enabling system to mix proportions automatically. Strength settings range from mocktail to strong, adjusting alcohol content. Touchscreen interface displays cocktail options and mixing progress. Cleanup requires rinsing capsule holder and wiping exterior surfaces. Compatible capsules include margaritas, cosmopolitans, old fashions, and whiskey sours. Cocktail consistency eliminates guesswork from home bartending. Capsule system prevents ingredient spoilage compared to buying full bottles of mixers. Drink quality approaches professional bar results when using quality spirits. Ongoing capsule costs add up quickly with $2 to $3 per drink after initial machine investment. Capsule selection limits creativity compared to traditional bartending. Some flavors taste artificial compared to fresh ingredient versions.